Have you noticed that WhatsApp on Windows feels slow lately? Well, according to recent reports, the Windows version of WhatsApp is consuming an unusually large amount of system resources. In some cases, the app can use over 1 GB of RAM just for basic messaging tasks. The main reason is that WhatsApp is no longer a fully native Windows application. Instead, Meta replaced the older Windows app with a web-based version built using Microsoft's WebView 2 technology. In simple terms, the app is running a mini web browser in the background. This approach makes development easier for Meta because the same code can work across multiple platforms. However, it comes with a downside: higher RAM usage, increased CPU activity, slower loading times, and reduced performance, especially on older PCs with 8 GB of RAM or less. Users have reported delayed message delivery, sluggish scrolling, slow chat switching, and long startup times. Some even say that the web version in a browser feels faster than the dedicated Windows app. So, what is the solution? Experts suggest that Meta should develop a fully native Windows application using Microsoft's modern WinUI framework. Native apps can use Windows features more efficiently, consume less memory, and provide a much smoother experience. Microsoft is also encouraging developers to build more native Windows applications instead of relying on web wrappers. If companies like Meta follow this direction, Windows users could see significant performance improvements in the future. For now, if WhatsApp for Windows feels slow on your PC, using WhatsApp Web in your browser may actually provide a better experience. What do you think? Is WhatsApp on your Windows PC fast or painfully slow? Let us know in the comments below.